Hey guys, so today I am going to be unboxing something that I've been wanting to try out for the longest time. I am super excited. I am getting all, you guys know if you've been following me for a while, that I am all about Christmas and cozy and fall and the holidays, and I'm so ecstatic right now. I am going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Winter 2019 box, and I teamed up with FabFitFun, and I'm so excited. They sent me over their latest box, which is the Winter FabFitFun 2019 box. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful, I'm so excited. So I want to dig into this and show you guys everything that comes in this box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a subscription box service. It is a seasonal subscription service where they send you a box out every season. So you get one for winter, you get one for spring, summer, and fall. And their boxes are typically $49.99 per season. But today I have a code to give you guys, and with my code NT10, which I will link in the description box below, you can go to fabfitfun.com and get $10 off your first box. So without further ado, I am super excited to share with you guys and unbox this with you guys, because FabFitFun is something that I've been loving, and I've just been like every year I watch, you know, all the girls' videos, and I'm like, man, I really want to try this. So I'm so excited that I got to partner with them. And yeah, so let me show you what comes in the box. And the first thing is it does bring a little magazine. This one's with Maria Shriver on the cover. Basically it just kind of shows you, it has like different little articles, and it also shows you like the products in your box, and it does show like more information on the products. It's just a cute little magazine for more information on every product in your box. I do know that you can customize these boxes as well. You can have that feature in your subscription as well, where you can get it customized and pick the items. This one is not the customized one, but this is the one that the PR sent to me. So I'm very grateful because I love all of their products. The first item is, oh my God, this is like right up my alley, because you guys know how much I love candles. If you don't, look at back there, all my candles, and there's more all over this house. I'm obsessed. So this candle is by Jonathan Adler. It says Fleur de Sel Scented Candle. And it comes in this cute little box. It's adorable. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And it is a full-size candle. So like I said, it's $49.99 a month, but you get over $200 worth of products. So it's definitely worth it. It is definitely worth it. I have never seen a subscription box that actually sends so much quality products in their boxes. Like, it's worth it, you guys. This one is for sure. Okay, so this item, this is the candle. Comes with a little wrapper. Oh my God, I can't wait to burn this. I burn candles every single day. Oh my God, if I could describe this scent. It smells kind of, it's a very clean, floral linen type smell. It's so hard to explain. It's just a very clean, oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. It's not a strong scent at all. It's just like a very clean, kind of like a linen, clean linen with a little bit of hints of floral in it. Oh my God, it smells delicious. I am so excited to try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna burn this tonight for sure. So that's the first item. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm just, even the candle alone makes it worth it to me, because I freaking love candles. I'm obsessed. Oh my God. Okay, so this next item is by Bando. It is a Bluetooth shower speaker. Oh, this is so cool. So it comes in this little box. It is a Bluetooth shower speaker. Oh my God, this is so neat, because I love listening to music when I'm in the shower. So this is perfect. So I don't get my phone wet, and you can add, you know, connect the Bluetooth to your phone. Oh, this is so awesome. And it has like that little thing that you could stick to your bathroom tile. This is really neat. And then it has like the volume. You could switch songs, turn it on and off. You could even take phone calls. Oh my God, this is awesome. So that's the next item. Oh my god, and it comes with a little USB cable to connect it to your phone or whichever device you're gonna use. This is so neat. I've never had one of these and I love this so much. I can't wait to just put this in the shower and burn my little candle and jam out to Christmas music because yes, that's what I love. During the holidays, I'm telling you, as soon as Halloween finishes, October 31st, November 1st, I am that person who's doing Christmas everything. My tree was already up. My tree was up. I had the holiday candles on, Christmas music on, and I'm already watching the Hallmark Christmas movies every single day. I'm obsessed. Christmas is when I thrive. So this box is my jam. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this right now. So this is the second item. You guys, just these two items alone make this box worth it, but there's more. There's a lot more. Okay. The next item, and I love like bath and beauty products. I love bath products like body sprays, shower gel, bath washes, all that stuff I love. So this next one is by Cuccio Somatology. It says Yoga, Calm and Clean, Epsom Salt, Hand and Body Wash. It's a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. Lavender is like really relaxing and really calming. And I actually burn lavender oil in my little essential oil diffuser thing. So I'm looking forward to taking a bath with this or a shower with this little, it smells great. It smells just like lavender body washes. It smells delicious. Definitely worth it. I'm so looking forward to just taking a nice hot shower and burning this candle and listening to my jams like the coziest holiday. This is the cozy box, the cozy. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, the next item, this is from Paddington Lashes. Cute little box. Oh my god, obsessed. Okay, let me fix this lighting here real quick. Okay, it's really cloudy where I live, so I am sorry if the lighting is not the greatest. It's just super cloudy right now. And I'm right in front of a big window too. Okay, so these are just some beautiful lashes and it comes with a little lash glue as well. Super cute. I have to play around with that because I don't really know. I'm not good at lashes. You've never seen me wear lashes on here, but it's because I don't like things in my eye. So I might save this and give this as a gift to my daughter-in-law because she might wear them. But this is super cute. It's just a really cute set of lashes. Really pretty. I'm just really bad at applying lashes myself, but this is awesome. Okay, the next item is Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. This is cool. It says you glide your makeup brush against the Color Switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. It is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water. Lay flat to dry. So it's a color, you put your makeup brushes and it cleans them. This is really neat. The brand is Vera, I want to say Vera, let me see here. Vera Mona, that's the brand. And it's like circle and you just, basically you rub your brushes on that and clean them. That's really neat. I had never seen anything like this. This is awesome. So, and the next item I will definitely be using a lot. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Drybar. It protects up to 450F. So basically you can use this detangler and also kind of like a heat protectant. It protects your hair from heat. This is perfect because I use the flat iron every day. I curl my hair with a flat iron and I always have it to the max setting. So I'm definitely going to be trying this. It's a detangler too, which is awesome because my hair is always in knots when I wake up. This is perfect. I am so excited about trying this out. Okay, this is, oh, this is so cool. By Original Pink Makeup Eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. This is so neat. So basically what it says, it comes in this little box. And it says, It works like a suction cup. It's made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers, 10 to 50 times thinner than human hair, adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. Free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so basically you just kind of, you could wet it, this little towel. Oh, it's awesome. Wow, it's big. So you just kind of dampen it and then you just rub your face with it and rub your makeup off. And it kind of like, this says it works like a suction cup, so it suctions your makeup right off. That's awesome. That is awesome for those nights that you don't feel like, you know, doing a complete makeup removal, or you're home late, you know, that you just want something quick to get your makeup off. This is a really cool idea and an alternative to makeup wipes. So it's awesome. I love it so much. Oh, and last but not least, oh, this is one of my favorite items. We love a palette. I recently just bought the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette and I'm obsessed. If you're wondering, those are the colors that I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Flaming Hot, which is kind of like the red, Diet Cola in my inner eye, Not a Theory up here, and then that's just my red lipstick that I had on. But now I get to dive into this one. This one says, Beauty Bakery, Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, so this is like, oh my god, this is so cool. I'm really excited about this palette because I've been playing around with makeup. I'm not like a makeup pro, but I've been playing around trying to learn how to do makeup and just play with colors, and this is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the colors are all named after like pudding. It's so cool. Rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. You guys, look at this. This is beautiful. This is an absolutely beautiful palette, and I love these colors. These are the type of colors that I wear on an everyday basis. These neutrals, the browns, the kind of like the caramel colors, that's my jam. I will be using this so much. I am so excited about this palette. It's beautiful. You could check them out at Beauty Bakery Makeup. It says on the back. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me just swatch one of these colors so you guys can see. Okay, so this is the warm cocoa, which is like perfect for fall. For fall and winter. These are really good like fall winter colors. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Okay, this next one is almond jelly. I used the wrong arm. I'm left-handed. It's easier to just lift up my left hand, but oh, these are so cute, you guys. Okay, so that's just a sample so you guys can see, but oh my god, this is so worth it. This box was absolutely amazing. I am in love with it. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me for this video and sending me this amazing box. Make sure to check out my description in the box down below, and I will go ahead and put in the code NT10 and you will get $10 off your first box. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and kick off your holiday with a bang by signing up for this box. It's definitely worth it. As you can tell, way over like $200 worth of product here, so it's so worth it. And anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite, and if you like these types of videos, if you want to see more of them. Thank you for watching.